Well, we're Zaremba-Marsden Limited. This is Marta and I'm Stuart, and we are the directors of the business. We initially started as an operations management company, but due to COVID and our own personal aspirations, we decided to diversify and look for a nutrition retreat. I think we've always cared about nature. We've always cared about what's happening around the world, and everywhere you go, you see waste. You see people misusing the resources around them, and we've always said, well, we know that, but how do we send that message out as well? What's our platform for getting that message out so we can share that?
And sustainability is very important to us because of where we come from as well. I mean, I come from a background where there was a lot of scarcity, so you had to be resourceful, so you had to get by. So we lived that way. We wanted to incorporate that into our business philosophy and business values, and share it with with other people, with the world, showing that it's not difficult and it actually saves you money and time very often. Yeah, we've signed up for Zellar because when we found out about Zellar, it just fitted our business model, and it offered us more than we expected. We wanted just to find out about a couple of things, but then it was advised that you can use the platform to capture all you're doing and then share it with the wider world and consolidate it with your social media. So it not only fitted the business model from the sustainability perspective, but also enabled us sharing with the community of what we're doing and learning from the community.
We made the basic changes initially, so we put a hive system into the house. We decided that again we'd go all out and buy an electric vehicle, and we'd get a charging unit at the house, not only just for our own use, but then we'll use that for the guests. Again, if the guests see that we're going all electric, then that might encourage them to go electric. So I think for me, one of the biggest takes from Zellar is that, and I'll challenge everything. I look at everything and say, can I make it more efficient? Yes, I made that change, but can I improve on that? Key goals for us is we're here. We're proof of sustainability. We're proof of you can do it. Even just two people together, you can make a big difference. And just get ourselves noticed. We also want to link with more partners, get more people linking with us so we can share their ideas, they can share ours, and we can advertise each other and market each other and grow together.